Reggae Girls head coach Hubert Busby has been provisionally suspended. The Jamaica Football Federation announced Busby's suspension in a brief press release on Tuesday. More from Karen Madden.
Busby's tenure with the Reggae Girls became tenuous after former Vancouver Whitecaps player Mallory Enoch made sexual misconduct allegations against him in an interview published by The Guardian and the City News last Thursday. Enoch said the unwanted advances happened in the 2011 season and were reported to the Canada-based club. Now, Jamaica's local governing body for football says its executive decided in a meeting on Tuesday that the 51-year-old will be provisionally suspended. The federation says it has written to the world governing body FIFA requesting a comprehensive investigation, after which a final decision will be made on Busby's future with Jamaica's women's football program. JFF President Michael Ricketts says that the Federation will await the results of the FIFA investigation before it makes a permanent decision. But he says in the meantime it must ensure that the players are protected by those who lead them. The Reggae Girls are preparing for the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers in February and we're hoping to have a Jamaica-based camp later this month, the final FIFA date for the year. However, the JFF release was silent on who would lead the national program while Busby is suspended. Subsequent to The Guardian and the City News reports, the Vancouver Whitecaps revealed that it had dismissed Busby in 2011 after the allegations were leveled against him. Major League Soccer also announced that it has launched an investigation into how Enoch's allegations were handled by the club. Repeated efforts to contact Busby by telephone calls and text messages since the news broke last Thursday have been unsuccessful. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.